If you think the fastest way to make affiliate marketing sales is to just run ads, then you're probably already setting yourself up to lose money. Now, here's why. Ads are powerful, no doubt, but without the right structure, they will drain your wallet fast. And if you are a complete beginner, you could blow through hundreds, if not thousands of dollars before even making your first sale. And that is exactly where most people quit before they even get started. But the truth is that you do not need to spend a dime on ads in order to start cashing out from affiliate products. And no, I'm not talking about having to blast your links in random Facebook groups or spamming under Twitter threads or begging for clicks on Reddit. What I'm about to show you works no matter what affiliate platform you are on, whether it's ClickBank, Digistore24, Amazon, or even maybe a private affiliate offer. It is a well-structured method and the exact system that I have personally used to generate multiple payouts across different affiliate products. So if you have been struggling to make sales because you thought you needed a big ad budget, then stay with me until the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to sell affiliate marketing products without spending a dime on ads. And yes, you can literally copy me. Look, I understand that when you first start affiliate marketing, ads seem like the obvious answer, right? You see people on YouTube flexing their Facebook ad dashboards or talking about scaling to 6 figures with Google Ads, and in your head you're thinking, if I could just throw money at ads, maybe that would work. Maybe I would start making sales faster. But here's a problem with that logic, especially if you're just starting out. Ads require structure. They need the right landing page, the right audience targeting, the right ad copy, and honestly, they need experience. Without those things, you are basically gambling. You could easily spend $100, $200, $300, even $500 and not make a single sale. I have seen it happen. I mean, I know people personally who burned through their savings trying to crack the ad game before they even understood the basics of affiliate marketing. And that is exactly where most beginners quit, right after they have drained their budget and lost all motivation. In fact, I almost went down that same path myself. But instead of losing money on ads I didn't know how to run, I decided to find a method that would actually make me money while keeping my expense as minimum as possible. And that is what changed everything. Now, before we get into the actual method, let us talk about the so-called free hacks that most persons recommend or that is probably running through your mind right now. You know what I'm talking about. Posting your affiliate links in Facebook groups, dropping it in Reddit threads, sending cold DMs on Twitter, or commenting, check out my links under random YouTube videos. But here is the truth. That stuff doesn't work. And if it does, it is so inconsistent that it is not even worth your time. Why? Because there is no trust. There is no structure. You are just another person spamming a link, hoping somebody clicks. And if they do click, they are not even going to buy because they don't know you, they don't trust you, and they have no reason to believe in what you are promoting. So now, if ads are risky and spamming is useless, what actually works? Now, that's what I'm going to break down for you step by step, a structured, repeatable system that builds trust, drives traffic, and converts that traffic into sales. And the best part about this is it costs you nothing. Now, I'm going to be breaking this down into 5 clear steps. Now, the first step is choosing the right affiliate product. Now, first things first, you need to pick the right products to promote. And this is super critical because if you pick the wrong product, then nothing else matters because it won't just work. So what makes a product right? Simple. It needs to solve a real pain point. It's not just something that is trendy or has a flashy sales pitch. I'm talking about products that genuinely help people with a specific problem that they are actively trying to solve. For example, let's say someone is struggling to lose weight. They are searching for solutions. And if someone is trying to make money online, they are looking for guidance. If somebody is dealing with anxiety or sleep issues, they want real answers. That is exactly the kind of product you want to promote. Something people are already actively searching for. Now, this works across any platform at all. ClickBank has tons of digital products in the health and fitness, finance, and even self-improvement. Digistore is packed with courses, digital products, as well as physical products. Amazon.com has physical products, as well as, of course, ebooks and digital products and the likes that people need every single day. Even private affiliates offers work within the same principle. But here is the key. Don't just pick a product because it has high commission. You want to pick it because you can confidently talk about it. You can create content around it, and you can position it as a real solution. So if you skip this step and you just grab the first shiny object that you see, you're already setting yourself up to struggle. And that's going to be really, really hard to manage down the line. Now, the next step you want to do is you want to create YouTube content that attracts buyers. So now you've got your product. Here is where the magic happens. And this is my main traffic source, which is YouTube. Here's why YouTube is perfect for affiliate marketing without ads. People come to YouTube actively searching for solutions. They are typing in things like how to lose belly fat, best budget laptop for students, how to start affiliate marketing, and the likes. And when you create videos that answer those specific searches, YouTube puts your content in front of people who are already interested. You're not chasing them. They are the ones finding you. But here's the thing. I'm not just throwing up random videos and hoping for the best. I'm creating structured content that builds trust and positions me as someone who actually knows what they're talking about. Now, the type of videos that work best are, tutorials, honest reviews, comparisons, how to solve whatever problem kind of videos, content that educates first, then sells second. You don't want selling to be the top of your priority when it comes to trying to make content or trying to leverage YouTube to do affiliate marketing. For example, let's say I'm promoting a fitness product. I might create a video like 5 steps keeping you from losing weight and how to fix them. And in that video, I will be giving real value. I'll be teaching something useful. And then naturally, I will mention the products that I'm promoting as one of the solutions. Now, this builds trust, and trust is what gets people to click your affiliate link and actually buy. Now, the third step is you want to position with value and not hard selling. This is something a lot of beginners get wrong. They think affiliate marketing is all about shouting, buy this now, buy that now, click my link and buy it now in every single video. But that is not how it works. In fact, you're going to have less conversions doing that. Instead, what I do is I focus on being helpful. I position the product as a solution to the problem I'm talking about in the video. I explain how it works, who it's for, and why I recommend it. I'm not being pushy. I'm not being salesy. I'm simply being honest. Many times, there are products that I actually use, and I just deliver it naturally, my honest review, the way I use them, and I simply position it as the solution to the problem that they are already looking for. And here's the beautiful part about that. When you approach it this way, people don't feel like they are being sold to. They feel like they are being helped, and that is when they actually take action. So remember, you want to educate first, then affiliate link second. You want to be the helper and not someone trying to hustle money from your viewers or your audience. Now, the fourth step is YouTube SEO and organic discovery. Now, you might be thinking, okay, all of this is great, but how do I actually get people to watch my videos? And that is really, really, really critical. And that is what a lot of beginners face, because even if you have the right content, you position yourself as the helper and all of that, how do you get people who are actually looking for this solution? How do you get them to see your videos? Because when you think about it, YouTube is actually a really, really broad place. And as much as you are providing that solution, there are like thousands of people doing the same too. So it's more like kind of a competition for attention. So how do you get people to see your videos? Now, this is where YouTube SEO comes in. And don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds, right? YouTube is simply a search engine, just like Google. So when someone types in a question, or you can probably even experiment it, you type in a question on Google, YouTube shows videos that matches best what they are looking for. So if I type in something like how to make money online, and I click on enter, you can see that YouTube has brought out the closest to my search term because I searched how to make money online. It's not showing me affiliate marketing, because even though affiliate marketing is a method to make money online, that is not my search term. So YouTube will show you videos that are closest to that search term that people are looking for. Your job is to figure out what people in your niche are searching for and then create videos around those keywords. For example, if you're promoting a productivity tool, you want to look for keywords like best productivity apps in 2025, or how to stay focused while working from home, or productivity hacks for entrepreneurs. You can see how really niched those keywords are. I talk a little bit more on my YouTube Growth digital product, a lot more about how you can leverage SEO and grow 10 times even as a small YouTuber. This is something that has helped not just me, but hundreds of small creators out there grow, leveraging YouTube SEO, as well as other strategies that can help you position yourself to the right niche viewers. I'm going to leave the link below, and if that interests you, want to click it below and check it out. Now, you can use free tools like YouTube search, just like I've done. And when you click on it, you can see how to make money online. It's going to show you things that are closest to it that people are searching for at the top of the search results. For example, you can see how to earn money online, or even just look at what videos in your niche are already getting views. That's one way to hop on the bandwagon, by simply copying what is already working. Then you can create your video around that keyword. So you want to put it in your title, you want to repeat it in your description, you want to mention it naturally also in your videos. And here's the best part. Once your video is live, it can keep bringing you traffic for months and even years. And this is without you having to do anything else. Now, the fifth step is simple conversion flow. So now you've got a great product, you've created valuable content, and people are now watching your videos. You've implemented YouTube SEO strategy, you've implemented every other strategy that you could find out there, and even probably the ones you find in my YouTube Growth strategy guide, and you're already getting eyes on your videos. Now, how do they actually buy? So it's simple. I mean, really simple. In your video, you deliver value like we talked about. Then at the right moment, usually towards the middle or the end of the video, you mention the product. You explain how it helps solve the problem you've been talking about. And then you say something like, if you want to check it out yourself, I've put a link in the description, something of that sort, and that is it. And that is your conversion flow. So let me explain it in simple terms. So it's video, then value, then link, of course, in description, and then sale. You don't need a complicated funnel. You don't need to have to host a website. You don't need a fancy landing page. You don't need to overcomplicate things. People simply watch your video. They trust you because you give them value, and they click your link because they are genuinely interested. And that's how sales happens. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, this sounds good in theory, but does it actually work? Well, I have personally used this exact strategy across different affiliate products and have gotten real payouts from it. Now, here's what I need you to understand. This method works, but it's not going to make you thousands of dollars in your first week, because now you're starting as a beginner. You want to implement this. You want to start building trust, and that trust cannot be built in just 1 week, in 7 days, in 4 days, in 3 days. No. So I'm not going to lie to you like that. What this method would actually do is build trust. And trust leads to long-term consistent sales, meaning that the more content you create, the more trust you build, and the more sales that will follow. It's not quick wins, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's about creating a system that keeps paying you over time. And remember, I told you with YouTube is an SEO platform driven by organic reach, right? And even if you create a video today, the video is not doing well as you'd expect, that doesn't mean that video is dead. A video can do well in 10 months' time, 7 months' time. I have a video on one of my older channels that I haven't even been posting for a while. And as at when I posted one particular video, it was stuck at less than 200 views. And just some weeks back, I just randomly stumbled upon the video. And right now that video is at 7K views. And that video only started taking off about 7 months later. So when you create helpful content, this is something that can give you results for long term. I really do hope that you found this video helpful. And if you did, and you are looking into starting affiliate marketing, I have quite a ton of videos where I show you how to start and leverage different affiliate platforms. However, I'm just going to attach Digistore24 affiliate marketing because I believe if you're a beginner, they have quite a ton of digital product which you can sell. And I show you strategies on how to use the affiliate platform of Digistore24 to your advantage as a beginner. So you want to click the video you see on your screen right now and learn more on that. Ciao.